Okay, to understand this video I'm going to do now, you can look back at my previous video before this one that I did on Revelation 6:14, which says, "And the heaven departed as a scroll when it's rolled together, and every mountain and island were moved out of their places." So I talked about the heaven departed as a scroll when it's rolled together. And I did numbers on this verse and showed that it had to do with the veil and the veil being opened. And there's another verse in the Bible that says something similar, and it's at Isaiah chapter 34:4. And let's see here if I can get there without taking too long. Okay, so it's Isaiah 34:4. Okay, it says, "And all the host of heaven shall be dissolved, and the heavens shall be rolled together as a scroll." So it says something very similar to Revelation 6:14. "And all their hosts shall fall down as the leaf falleth off from the vine, and as a falling fig from the fig tree." It talks about the heavens being rolled together as a scroll. So it's like the veil being opened. And we did some numbers on Revelation 6:14. If you want to look back at that video, you can. Okay, so Isaiah equals 47 in ordinal gematria. It's chapter 34 and verse 4. Okay, so if you take all those numbers and add to the verse, not carrying the number over, 4 plus 4 is 8, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 and 3 make a 6, and again, 4 and 7 make a 2, and 2 4s make an 8. So you get 8, 2, 6, 2, 8. But what does that have to do with anything? Well, I talked about in my last video how that 969 has to do with the veil, and how 6996 represents time and anti-time coming together, heaven and earth coming together. And so we're going to see the numbers in this verse too, the 69, the 96. Okay, so 8, 2, 6, 2, 8. Now if you take all those numbers and you multiply them together, 8 times 2 times 6 times 2 times 8 is going to equal 1536. Okay, so now take 1536 and put its reverse right next to it, 6351. See here how the 1 and 5 make a 6, the 3 and 6 make a 9, 6 and 3 make a 9 again, and 5 and 1 make a 6, so you get 6996. And what's interesting, if you take this number, 1536, add to its reverse, 6351, you're going to get 7887. Oh, well, what does that mean? Well, if you put 78 in the gematria calculator, you can see that the Hebrew value is 969. So there you go. You got your number of the veil. And 87, which is the opposite of 78, will also equal 969 because it's the same words, but it's the opposite, representing the two sides of the veil. It has to do with the veil. And if you want to look at it this way, it's a little bit different way. Okay, so you got your 1, your 5 and 3 make an 8. The 2 6s will make a 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. You got 3 and 5 make an 8 again, then you got your 1. And if you add that to its reverse, you're going to get 2, 7, 6, 7, 2. That's not carrying the number over. You see here how the 2 and 7 make a 9. You got your 6, and the 7, 2 make a 9, so you get your 969 that way. And, not sure what I was doing here. Oh, okay. So, yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. I wrote this out a few days ago. So, all right. So you got 7887. Now think about the veil, the two sides of the veil coming together to make a way out, like heaven and earth coming together. Okay. See the 2 8s. 2 8s equals 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. So then you got 7, 7, 7. And 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. And if you look that up in Strong's, it's going to mean to unveil. And looking back at Revelation, Revelation equals 121. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. You got your 6, and 1 and 4 make a 5. So you got 4, 6, 5. If you did the same thing to Isaiah, 4 plus 7 equals 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 and 4 is a 7. And then you get 4. So you get 2, 7, 4. Now put those numbers next to each other. Then multiply them all together. 4 times 6 times 5 times 2 times 7 times 4. It's going to equal 6,720. Now add that to its reverse, 0276. You're going to get 6996. Again, you got your 6996. And if you want to go further with this number, 82628, add it to its reverse, which is itself, not carrying the number over, you're going to get 74347. And 4 plus 3 plus 4 equals 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, so you can get 727. And 727 is 314 plus 413. And pi is 3.14. Its opposite is 413. So it's like pi opposite pi. Just like pi equals 69, 96 is the opposite of pi. And if you put these two numbers, drop the zeros, and put this number next to this one, 67226, you're going to see 6996. If you do it that way. And what's interesting about coming back to this number, 74347, take all those numbers and multiply them together. 7 times 4 times 3 times 4 times 7 equals 2352. Add to its reverse 2532, you're going to get 4884. Veil equals 48, and that's the other side of the veil, the opposite side of the veil. And if you take 48 plus 84, add it together, it equals 132. Add to its reverse 231. It's going to equal 363. If you put its opposite next to it, 363, you can see the 3 and 6 make a 9. The 2 3s make a 6, and 6 and 3 make a 9, so you get 969. Also, if you want to add it the regular way, 363 plus 363 equals 726. 726 represents the harpazo, the catching away. If you look that up in Strong's Greek, 726 means harpazo. And I was going to say something else here. We can even see how the 7 and 2 make a 9, so you get your 9, 6. Or you can have 7 and 2 and 6 make an 8, like 7, 8, and how that 7, 8 in Hebrew gematria equals 969. So it's all going to lead you to the numbers 969, the numbers of the veil. So when the heavens depart like a scroll that is rolled, then that represents how the veil is going to be open for us and how Jesus is going to come to get his bride. Okay, that's my video for today, and I hope everybody has a good day.